And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. Okay, you have to understand that after pandemic the crude was moving continuously upside, but it was creating a pattern. Okay, and what this pattern is saying that whenever it is hitting its new high, okay, it is a fall is coming, and this fall, what is this fall is doing, that there is a fall is coming and then a swing is forming. That is where it is going upside. Okay, after that what we have seen that the war situation has come at this particular point, otherwise it would have made for the 6-time high. Okay, and then there is a continuous downfall, and this downfall at the period where the price of crude is moving in this range for quite some time. As soon as this range break upside, we have seen it has made around $10 high, but after that there is a continuous sharp. Okay, you have to understand when there is a zone breakout happens, there is a probability of moving upside or downside. If the price break upside, then upside movement. If the price fall, then a further downfall movement. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, we have seen there is a sharp fall has come for this particular week, and this sharp fall is after from $91 to a level of 82. That means around $10 we can see there is a downfall. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see as of now, there is a continuous downfall trend. But before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Let's suppose if the price sustain this level, because market is uncertain, overall trend is downside, so probability of moving further down is there. But let me explain you if the price sustain. If the price sustain this level, we can see it will cross a level of $82.65, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it can touch a level of 83.45, which is again being tested here. So chances are high it will cross this level, and it can cross this level, and chances of touching a level of around $84.8 is there. Okay, if the price sustain this level, we can see a level of 80, and then this level. Suppose if the price move above that particular level, a further upside we can see, because $84.8 is a strong resistance. So once the price sustain above that level, a further upside we can see, and then a probability of touching $86 we can see. And if the price move up that level, a probability of touching $87.99. okay, and once the price sustain above 87.99, a further high we can see, and then we can see it can go towards a level of around 88.27. okay, keep that in mind that once the price started sustaining up that level, a further upside we can see, and then probability of going further high we can see it can go towards a level of around, after crossing a level of 87.99, a probability of going towards $88.27. From there we can see it will cross a level of 90.27. This 90.27 is also being tested, so chances are high it will touch a level of $91.15, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of 92.67. okay, and if the price sustain above 92.67, a further upside we can see. Okay, because there will be a zone breakout and a further high we can see. But understand something, overall trend for the crude is downside, and if you look at this particular pattern, this pattern is again saying that there is a higher chances if the price didn't sustain, we can see a further fall. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, a trend was forming, a pattern was forming, so chances was very high that it can come further down, because there is a doji candle forming. Okay, so chances are, I suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move further down towards a level of around $81.45, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see, and chances of going towards a level of 80.14 is there. Okay, now once the price fall below 80.14, then we can see it will fall further low, and then we can see it will touch a level of $77.14, and from there a further downfall we can see, and then we can say that it can go towards a level of around $74.86. as soon as if the price fall below 74.86, because 77 is a strong support, so once it move below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 70.61, and then from there we can see a level of $68.36. okay, so you have to keep it in mind that as soon as it started falling $77, chances of touching 68.36 on a higher side, because the next support we can see coming at a level of 68.36, strong support. Otherwise overall trend is on our downside. Once the price started falling below 77, a further fall we can see towards 74.86 to a level of 70.61, and then to a level of 86.36. Once it move below that level, a further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. The mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.